This bull run is heating up, but which coins could 5x or even 10x? In this video, we're breaking down 3 cryptos you need to keep an eye on in 2025. Based on real data, not hype. First up, Solana. It just broke $200 for the first time in 5 months. Why? 2 words, Jito BAM, a new block assembly tech that makes Solana even faster and cheaper. It's gaining serious traction in DeFi, NFTs, and institutional portfolios. With strong on-chain activity and bullish technicals, experts are now eyeing a 250-plus target this bull run. Next, Chainlink, now trading near $19. It just rallied after joining a $30 trillion tokenization project with Swift, JP Morgan, and MasterCard. Chainlink is powering the future of real-world assets on-chain with CCIP. That makes it a core player in the next financial revolution. The momentum here is real. And don't sleep on Render. Currently trading around $4.40, it powers decentralized GPU rendering for AI, 3D, and metaverse content. With Apple and Octane backing, and AI demand booming, Render could explode when the market fully wakes up to crypto and AI synergy. So, there you go. Solana, Chainlink, and Render. 3 coins with real-world use, strong momentum, and bull run potential. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick crypto insights.